everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel, The Ilocanos and Cuyunon. For today's video, we will have AIM quiz. Number 1, do you know me? Directions. Read the statement carefully and identify what is being described or defined. Choose your answer from the word inside the box. Long nose, electrical knife, Phillips screwdriver, male plug, pliers, utility box, junction box, stubby screwdriver, circuit breaker, portable electric drill, wire stripper, combination pliers, hammer, fuse, connector, conduits. Number 1. It is used for gripping, holding, cutting, electrical wires and cables, and even small nails, usually used by linesmen in doing heavy tasks. Number 2. It is used for cutting and holding fine wires. This can reach tight space or small opening where other pliers cannot reach, and also used in making terminal loops of copper wires. Number 3. It has a cross tip resembling a positive sign. It is used to drive screw with cross slot heads. Number 4. It is a tool used in driving or pounding and pulling out nails. Number 5. A tool used for removing insulation of medium-sized wires ranging from gauge number 10 to gauge number 16. Number 6. It is a small drilling machine with a chunk capacity of 1/4 inches to 3/8 inches. It is used in making holes in metal sheets and concrete walls. Number 7. It comes in either standard or Phillips screw driver with short chunk or blade or short handle used to turn screw in tight space where standard screwdriver cannot be used. Number 8. It is used by linemen to remove insulation of wires and cables in low and high voltage transmission lines. Number 9. It is a device inserted to a convenience outlet to conduct electric current. A flat cord is attached to it on one end, and on the other end is to a current-consuming instrument or appliances. Number 10. It is a circuit protected device that automatically blows and cut the current when an overload or short circuit happens. Number 11. It is a rectangular shaped metallic or plastic materials in which flash-type convenience outlet and switch are attached. Number 12. These are electrical materials used as the passage of wires for protection and insulation. Number 13. These are used to attach metallic or non-metallic conduit to the junction or utility boxes. Number 14. It is a protective devices used to automatically cut off the current when trouble in a circuit, such as short circuit or overload occurs. Number 15. It is an octagonal shape electrical materials where the connection or joints of wires are being done. It is also where the flash type lamp holder is attached. That's all for today. Shout out time na po tayo. Una, nasa listahan natin na isa-shout out yung mga taga-section Marigold na masugid nating tagapagsubaybay. Ang pagbati ay mula sa inyong beshi na si Kanoe Aim. Salamat sa suporta, Palangga. Hello para sa ating supporter. Mega love greeting sa iyo. Godspeed. Salamat sa panunood, Palangga. Mega love shout out para sa ating avid supporters and subscribers ng grade 9. Rayan Elaine Dennis Garde ng grade 9. Salamat sa suporta, Palangga. Again, mega love shout out para kay Laika Joy Hara ng section Water Lily. Sabi ni Laika, thank you po ma'am sa pagtuturo sa amin. I love you ma'am, thank you po ma'am. Salamat sa suporta, Palangga. Mega love shout out din para sa ating mga supporters at sa ating mga new subscribers. Salamat sa inyong pagsuporta at panunood, mga Palangga. Huwag naman pong magtatampo agad ang iba nating mga beshi student kung di pa na siya shout out. Kailangan nyo lang pong mag-comment sa ating comment section or chat box para po sa inyong mga shout out at para hindi po nakakalimutan. Kaya't kumet nga i-shout out dagiti ka mag-anakan kang gagayem Cagayan Valley. Mega love shout out kada kayo amin, especially to Garan family all the way to Apusing Daga. Alyagan kurang ay shout out ang aming mga pariente diyan, ang Kabigin family. Mega love shout out kanindong tanan diyan all the way to Sibaltan El Nido, Palawan. Huwag din pong kalimutang mag-like at i-share nyo po ang video natin ito para marami pong makapanood sa ating mga videos. At para naman po sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe sa ating channel, baka naman po maaaring makapaglambing sa inyo na pakisubscribe din po itong ating channel at huwag din pong kalimutang i-hit ang notification bell para lagi po kayong updated sa mga ilalabas nating mga videos. Salamat po at sa muli, ito po ang inyong munting channel. Ilocano po ang aking nanay at Kuyunon po ang aking tatay. Ako po ay proud Pinay!